red 7, flying left hand Mike Lee. It's always worked. It's a lot of arrows, and they just made a big hill, which is close to where he grew up. That's what inspired him to join first the Royal Air Force, and went on to fly the Commando flying instructor, and also the Tornado M3. I can also tell you he's only 30 years old, which makes him the youngest pilot on the team, but he's already got balls. At the moment though, he's got red 9 on his wing, and on the right is red 6 and 8 as we watch the Jimmo pass. Now being joined and stated by fellow commentator, Lieutenant Bob Dixon from the Royal Navy Black Navy Navy's flying Royal Navy's flying helicopter display center, and you're going to be watching them after the red arrows. Stay around for them. Okay, running towards us now. Here's the big rope down again. Turn as they cross right in front of us. This is Flight Lieutenant Andrew Keith, known as Boomer. And just to the left of the two on the right is the main formation behind us. The night Boomer coming up through the left, the red smoke is watched by his son, Ian Uncle, Margaret and John today. Hello to you. And also his godfather is here, Peter Cotier and Yvonne. Hello to you too. Flying what we call the vortex. 7 and 8 are barrel rolling around the smoke trail of sections in the middle. Get ready with the cameras as they prepare to cross right in front of us. It's called for the split. Very charming man. He's a former Jaguar GR3 pilot. Aircraft now out of service with the Royal Air Force, but we do still have a use of the flying instructor on board. He's called RAF Valley in North Wales, and also at the Empire Test Pilot School in Boston down in Glasgow. Duffy used to be a member of 1247 Squadron Air Training Corps from Penrith, and I believe those guys are here today, so hello to you. I think they're commanded by Flight Sergeant Jenny, so that's from Duffy, the 1247 Squadron. Okay, the synchro pair are back with us now. With the air brakes on, and they're flying up in the control. Off behind us now, just to the left of the oil ring on the left hand side. Here comes the speed again. They've stepped down now into line of stern. And as Jace calls them to come into a left hand turn, all the pilots below the leader, who's at the top, have to swing out like a pendulum using lots of rudder. It's a difficult formation to fly. When you fly close formation like this, all you can see in front of you is a space full of jet pipes from the aircraft in front. You're so close that you can hear the jet engine noise from the man in front of you. Now Jason's calling the team into leaders benefiting formation, another liner rest formation, difficult for the outside men to fly. Well, the aircraft you see them fly today is the BAE Systems Hawk T-Mark 1. It's 30 years old, but it's a great looking aircraft, very manoeuvrable, and when you put it to the edge of its performance, it's perfect for a Red Arrow display. The Hawk is powered by the Rolls-Royce door engine. Very reliable invention, plenty of technique, and believe me, these pilots need a tick every now and again. Okay, coming in to the right hand side, just above the pier now, red 6 and 7, lead Jimmo to the corkscrew. 7 is forming upside down on red 6 here, and 8 and 9 walk through around the smoke trail. So you can see why we call that the corkscrew. Most formations flying the right way up is difficult enough. Well, imagine how difficult it is doing it upside down. Red 7 doing the difficult work there now. If you look over to the black formation beach just on the right. So there are leaders benefit formations. It's called for them to roll there as they fly the Python. Pilots here carving the coils of the Python into the sky. You may need to use your imagination, but I'm sure you can. Now, other than the pilots on the team, we've got 80 engineers in the Red Arrows. One of them is Flight Lieutenant Charlotte Fenn, who's our junior engineering officer, and I believe her Auntie Linda's here today, so hello to you, Auntie Linda. And our engineers work all year round keeping the aircraft flying, and remember they're 30 years old, so that's no mean feat. Right the way through our 8 months of winter training and also through our 85 or more displays that we're doing throughout the summer. Front here today, they'd love to see you after the show. Okay, back in from the right-hand side now. Here comes Jippo. This is what we call mirror walls. Reds 6 and 7 are going to roll in and fly upside down, just 300 feet above the stand, with 8 and 9 mirroring them below. That's a very calm voice from Red 6, rowing the man there, as you can hear. He's half of the art of talking normally while flying upside down. Okay, for most of the show, you've seen the pilots maintain perfect formation. But coming in from the left-hand side, here comes Edith for something different. These are what we call rollbacks. The inside men barrel roll tightly around the outside guys who fill up the gap. For Edith, this is one of their most difficult manoeuvres in the second half, and for me, one of the most impressive. Very enthusiastic voice of Red 5 going screaming to lots of these completed rollbacks.
Great there.
If you take a look back out to the front now, you can see the headlights and the smoke of Jippo as they run in for the amazing Jippo break. We start with 8 and 9 corkscrewing around the smoke on 6 and 7. Jippo putting the spot roll and get ready as they cross right in front of your eyes. Now all the pilots from the team, as you've heard, are former frontline fighter pilots. They'll do a 3-year tour with the Red Arrows and then go back to their former frontline aircraft type, or in some cases I think it's 1 or 2
It's coming.
Okay, here's Synchro for their final pass of the show. Air Race Line, for the 24. Today. There the headlights are, the smoke's coming on now, as the main formation runs in to finish the show with the Vixen break. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the Red Arrows and we represent the very best of